Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Barbados. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, open this description and click on link in eSIM Wirefly and click on this and write Barbados and click on this. Open this page and eSIM settings 4G 5G data, no download or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. That's very good. Alright, and choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. I recommend unlimited data, this is very good. And choose a speed plan light or plus. I recommend plus, and select days. I select 30 days and select amount eSIM, one eSIM. Alright, and click on buy it now. Open new page and discount code and write discount code in the description, or write ROAM tips. Alright, and click on apply and order discount ROAM tips $30. This is very good, Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, payment data and billing address, right, and click on buy now. Open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code, eSIM. Scan this QR code and open settings, install eSIM, and eSIM is work. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me.